Ever feel like you're running a power station out of your living room? Laptop brick, phone charger, tablet plug, it's a mess. What if one single block on your wall could replace all of them? And I mean even charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro at full speed. That's the promise of the Belkin BoostCharge Pro 140W. But is this $130 power hub the ultimate multi-device charger for 2025? Or is it just overpriced and oversized? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting the Belkin BoostCharge Pro 140W 4-port GaN Wall Charger through its paces. After using this as my daily driver for 2 weeks on my desk and my travel bag, I'm going to break down its clever but complex power delivery, its travel-ready design, and who this powerful block is really for. We'll cover its impressive specs, its not-so-small size, and whether it deserves a spot in your bag. Right out of the box, the BoostCharge Pro feels premium. It's got a clean, minimalist white design. A nice touch is that the housing is made with over 72% recycled plastic, and it comes in plastic-free packaging. On one end, you've got the ports, 3 USB-C and 1 legacy USB-A. On the US model, the prongs fold flat, which is great for travel. But let's address the elephant in the room. This is not a small charger. It measures about 3.7 inches tall and weighs in at over 3/4 of a pound. That's heavier than an iPad mini. Why so big? It needs the internal space and cooling to pump out a sustained 140 watts. Compared to slim 65W GaN chargers, this is a powerhouse, not a pocket rocket. For international travelers, there's a killer feature. Models sold outside the US come with interchangeable plug tips for the UK, EU, and US/Japan. Just pop one off and click another on. It's a game changer. However, the package doesn't include a cable or a dedicated case for all those plugs. For a $130 charger, that feels like a miss. Now to the main event. Power. This is where GaN tech shines, offering high power efficiently. The top USB-C port can deliver a full, uncompromised 140 watts all by itself. That's enough to charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in around 30 minutes. In real-world testing, that meant taking my work MacBook from 80% to 100% in just 10 minutes. But the magic is in the smart power sharing. The total output is capped at 140 watts. Plug in a second device and it intelligently divides power. Check out this breakdown. With 2 laptops, each USB-C can get 65 watts. Plug in all 4 ports and it allocates power based on need. 65 watts, 45 watts, 20 watts, and 12 watts for the USB-A. You could realistically charge 2 laptops, a tablet, and a phone all at once. That USB-A port is handy for older gadgets, but it's limited to 12 watts. The biggest caveat? To hit these high speeds, you need capable cables that support the full power delivery standard. None are included, which is a significant oversight at this price. In daily use, this charger is fantastic. It stayed remarkably cool even under heavy loads, and finally cleared the cable clutter from my desk. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it hub for a multi-device workstation. But let's be balanced. This is overkill if you only need to charge a phone and a watch. It's expensive, bulky, and you need to supply your own cables. If you travel just with a MacBook Air, a smaller 65-watt charger is more portable. So here's the final verdict. Buy the Belkin BoostCharge Pro 140W if you own a high-power laptop like a 14-inch or 16-inch MacBook Pro and have multiple other devices. You're a digital nomad or frequent traveler who needs one global charger for everything. You want a future-proof single-solution power station for your desk. Skip it if you only charge phones and tablets, you prize ultra-portability above all else, and your wallet flinches at a $130 charger that still needs you to buy cables. So what's your take? Is the Belkin BoostCharge Pro 140W the ultimate power station you've been waiting for, or is its size and price a deal breaker? Let me know in the comments below. Just type power if you're adding it to your cart, or pass if you're skipping it. And if you found this deep dive helpful, a thumbs up on the video really supports the channel. For more honest, in-depth tech reviews to help you make the best buying decision, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.